Hello, I'm Casey. I'm your fashion friend, your confidence cheerleader, your joy provider. I help inspire you with all things style, fashion, joy, and confidence. I post short, easy to digest advice videos to help you create a closet you love and get dressed with less stress. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel below so you don't miss out on anything. And let's get on with the show. Another thing that goes along with fashion is an illusion is these fashion concepts I have. There are a ton of fashion concepts that have to do with fashion being an illusion. And I'm just gonna touch on a few and they're gonna be quick. But if you wanna know more, you can always DM me. And then also we'll just figure it out together. Just follow along with me too. I always post tips. But so stripes. So, here's a picture of some striped outfits. And if you notice, if you wear stripes long ways, it'll make you look taller, elongate. It has a different illusion when you wear stripes long way, or horizontal. And neither one is bad nor good. It just depends on what you are trying to achieve. Some people love a horizontal stripe because it makes them look more curvy, you know? Some people like a vertical stripe because it makes them look elongated and taller. Also in fashion is an illusion is the cut of the fabric sometimes. Sometimes you see these dresses, and I'll show you right here, is that that the middle part of the dress is one color, the outer part of the dress is another color, and it tricks the eye to really only see the middle portion of the dress, so it makes you look slimmer. So this is a great way if you start to notice how people look compared to where your eye is drawn to. That's a really big part of fashion being an illusion. So you can even wear it like, even to the same extent that you can wear a patterned dress and then like a solid long cardigan, and anyone that looks at you, their eye goes just to the middle of you where the pattern is being shown, and it makes you look slimmer because your eye is just focusing on the pattern instead of the whole outfit as a whole. So that's another way to look slimmer. Really, I think the basis of all of this, 100%, is that all of these things you look up, and say you're watching this video on YouTube and you looked up, you know, what I told you to do, the keywords, and you looked up exactly, you know, how to dress this and this, like, you know, with bigger hips, blah, blah, blah. The key of the matter is, one, go back to your Pinterest board and look for people that have your body type and see if they're breaking the rules that they're talking about and they still look good. Because then try it. Always try things. Then whatever tips that you're getting from other people, try it. And it might work for you and it might not. But the really key part of this is try it. Try it, experiment, see what works for you. No matter if someone tells you one thing, you might want to do another thing and you might feel great in it. And so I'm telling you, like, rules and guidelines are a great place to start when you're starting out, because it gets really, you know, overwhelming, and so it's a great place to start. However, once you get comfortable enough with it, then try other things. Try to break the rules, see if it works for you. I wear things all the time that people are telling me that my body type is not supposed to wear, and I like feel great in it. So that is my biggest thing for you, is that you can sit back and say, I'm not gonna try it because someone needs to tell me exactly how to dress for my body type, and you will get nowhere. So instead, try it and try things and experiment, and that's how you're gonna find the most things for you.